Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making the most delicious strawberry cupcakes that are perfect for any occasion. If you love strawberries, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need butter, eggs, sugar, cooking oil. I use sunflower oil, strawberry puree. I use frozen strawberries, of course, it's convenient, and cake flour, baking powder, salt, strawberry flavor, optional, and vanilla. This recipe is the base for vanilla cupcakes. I replaced the milk with strawberry puree. You can substitute it with your favorite berries or fruit puree and flavor. Then make sure to have everything measured out and ready to go. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your cupcake tin with paper liners. In a large mixing bowl of a stand mixer, cream together butter and sugar with a flat hook. It should take about 2-3 minutes. Next, add the eggs and beat well until the mixture is light and fluffy. This should take about 4 or 5 minutes depending on your machine. Then make sure to use eggs and butter at room temperature for the best results. And whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the eggs mixture and strawberry puree. Mixing on low speed for 1 minute. Sweep down the sides of the bowl if needed, then increase the speed to medium and mix for 2 minutes to ensure there are no lumps. Mix in the oil on lower speed until well combined. But be careful, do not overmix. Finally, stir in the strawberry flavor and vanilla. Divide the butter evenly among the cupcake liners. I use ice cream scoop, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick insert into a center comes out clean. And let the cupcakes cool in the tin for decorating them with creative icing designs. And there you have it, delicious strawberry cupcakes that are sure to impress. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.